Okay, I just woke up. Now the time is it is 7:51 and van will come at 8:30 to Marina, so I am going to suit up. I already suit up like this. The funny thing is, look at this. There is left socks and right socks. I don't know why they divided like this.
I went to the supermarket to buy some chocolates for hiking. And my car didn't work, so
also important, be careful with the wind, with the height.
so this is the starting point, right?
Yes.
This height is not yet 1,800 meters.
Yes. From here we go down and then we go up.
Go down again?
A lot of down.
Awesome.
Madeira. Sta tutto coperto.
Because my friend said maybe if you go to this hiking and you're going to walk like 3,000 steps, and I said, okay, that is affordable. About 5,000 steps.
Between 4 and 5,000. I go to the toilet.
So we are going there. Awesome. Wow, how far is it? I cannot even barely see it.
The least popular festival,
I always wanted to go to Gdansk, but I never made it. Beautiful. The water is always cold, right?
yeah, it is actually, but we managed to swim a couple of times even.
I think you guys no problem. For me, I don't know. I doubt about that.
Because what's coming ahead is very hard. Yeah, much more. Please let me know. Because after you cannot go back anymore. Yeah, you need to carry. Everybody's going to continue.
Yes?
Yes? Sure, you are doing a lot of sports, yes?
No.
So once again.
Today yes.
The stairs are too stiff and narrow. And the wind is too strong. I need at least one of my hands free. Take off my precious hat for precaution of falling down. Just keep walking, but feel really special with amazing view on the right side.
A few moments later.
Film? So, you departed at 9 and you came earlier than me. How?
Yeah, I mean, they picked me up at about 9, and then we probably got here around 10-ish, I don't know.
You got earlier?
Maybe.
Wow. Because I noticed by your earrings. So why this lady have a lot of earrings in the ear? Oh, wait a second, I think it's familiar. Okay, I think.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
that's
wow.
such a coincidence.
Wow.
So when did they pick you up?
They picked me up at 8:30.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, I must have got here earlier.
Yeah. Because
I
after
guess-
me, I think they pick up like 2 or 3 more people.
Okay, so there was only one person after me.
Yeah,
That's
so that is why.
probably yeah.
Thank God I'm gonna survive. If I'm gonna dehydrate it or I get tired, I have someone to help me.
Yeah.
Finally.
I'll carry your bags for you.
What about I carry my bag and you carry me? That is going to be more efficient way for
yeah,
me.
true. It's very efficient. Deal.
Deal.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Wow.
Wow. What a
So,
fucking
did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. I did indeed.
But after all of that, you still slept well, yeah?
Yeah.
I couldn't. So how many people are staying in your dome?
There's only like 3 other people, but there's lots of beds. So it's
Empty.
kind of a bit like a hospital room, to be honest. it's like painted blue and all of the beds are white.
Now I find the reason why he had a nightmare.
Maybe.
Slaves, for example. The next valley is the little village you will see when you are at Pico Huivo. When you reach Pico
What is this? And here we go again, another stairs. Maybe a protein bar. Glorious food. I just put the chocolate bag and just ran out.
So what have you got for lunch then?
Yeah. So this is why I am using emergency things.
So this is your emergency chocolate.
Plus it is lunch.
I don't have much either. It's not a long hike.
Yeah.
I don't really need too much.
But Francesca said it's going to be 30,000 steps.
Steps, yeah.
It's going to be 5,000 steps.
啊。
You will see we go steep, steep, steep up these stairs, then it's a bit flat, and then it goes down on the other side in the north. So this is still the south of the island. We are going to pass to the north side of the island. Okay? Okay. Good to go? Yep. Yes?
Okay. So there is the stairs to hell or heaven?
Yeah, that's highway
Both.
to hell.
More like a hell? Hell yeah.
We have a... take your time as well.
Another instant regret.
Nothing can be trusted these days.
It's not but lots of dust. Smell this, don't eat it.
Is it edible though?
It is very edible. Usually dry. Smell this, don't eat.
What was it?
Gotta find out. That's on the pizza.
Where are we at?
We're at Pico Rubio, the highest point in Madeira.
The important point, it's highest. We are on the lack of oxygen situation and coldness, right?
Oh, not that bad.
Not so much, okay.
Not that bad.
I was being dramatic.
We have a really good balanced lunch. We have an apple. We have a Snickers bar.
She is, but I am just having chocolate filled with sugar and...
I think we both need something more substantial, but there we go.
The way going down is even more beautiful than the moment I came up. Walking on the clouds and yellow flowers.
One eternity later.
Arrived at Funchal, the festival is still ongoing. I really want to follow them, but lack of energy, gotta replenish energy with something.
Every Pingo Dolce have different menu, because last time I had dinner there was no squid like this and nor the spaghetti, but here I like it. And the best thing is the price. It was only €7 with this all. It is written Funchal Madeira. Maybe this is going to be the cookie which is made with sugarcane grown in Madeira Islands. Okay, take this too. Price is affordable. It's also written Madeira made, so I think I'm gonna buy the... Okay, buy one honey, one passion fruits.
This is real mass packing method.
I went outside to see the concert, but it seems like he is the main dancer. And he is quite good at it. I know she wants something from her face, but is it something special? Apparently not. She just wants a glass of water. Look at her face with one glass of water. And nevertheless, this greedy fly wants something special from me. My blood. You ain't gonna get nothing, dude. Are you dead already? Just like that? I think I have no choice but to bring the good memories and bad scars on my body when I go back home.